Good morning, all of you. Today we see a new topic, logarithms. So, in logarithms, we simply denote it as log. So, now in logarithms, some principles there. By using the principles, we solve the problems. At first, we have to see what is logarithm. So, we simply abbreviated this one as log said. So, now we see first what is the principle of logarithm. In general, a and n are positive real numbers such that a is not equal to 1. We define the logarithm these like log n base a. Log n base a equal to x. Then if and only if a power x equal to n, a power x equal to n. So here log n base a equal to x, then a power x equal to n. That means here what is the base of log, that is also base, and here what is the result, that will be exponent of this base a power x equal to log after what is the value written, that is the result of this exponent 2. Okay. So, log n base a equal to x, then a power x equal to n. It is logarithmic form will be written as exponential form. Otherwise, exponential form means that will be written in logarithmic form. Now, we see if a number is given in exponential form, writing in exponential form means writing in a logarithmic form. Logarithmic form given means writing in the exponential form. So, here given write the following in logarithmic form. So, they are given in exponential form. The first one is 7 equal to 2 power x. So, 7 is equal to 2 power x. Now, we have to write in the logarithmic form. So, log a power x equal to n. So, that equal to log n base a. So, n in the n place, what is that one? The answer is 7. Log 7. And what is the base of the exponent? That is only taken as base. So, log 7 base 2 equal to what is the exponent? That is only the result, that equal to x. So, log 7 base 2 equal to x. So, now in the same manner, the second one seeing 1 by 81 equal to 3 power c, that equal to a power x equal to n. Here a power n, 3 power c equal to 1 by 81. So, log and the result is here 1 by 81. So, log 1 by 81, and here the base of the exponent is 3. So, log 1 by 81 base 3 equal to what is the exponent? That is only the answer. So, that is nothing but c. So, the logarithmic form of 1 by 81 equal to 3 power c is log 1 by 81 base 3 equal to the exponent c equal to c. So, same in this manner, 5 cube equal to 125. 5 cube equal to 125. Now, in that logarithmic form, a power x equal to n equal to log n base a equal to x. So, log here n, what is the answer? 125. Log 125 base 5 their exponent. So, that will be taken as base. So, log 125 base 5 equal to the exponent here only the answer. The exponent is here 3. So, that is 3. Log 125 base 5 equal to 3. So in this manner we will write any given number in the exponential form that are in logarithmic form. Now we will seeing if they were given in the logarithmic form, we have to write in exponential form. That is first one, log 25 base 5 equal to 2. Then so if log n base a equal to x, then we written a power x equal to n. So here log 25 base 5 equal to 2. Then here the base to the result writing. Here log 25 to base 5 to the base is what? 5. So 5. And here what is the result of this logarithm? 2. That will be written as exponent 5 power 2 equal to log after what is the number there? 25. So that is the answer. So 5 square equal to 25. This is the exponential form of log 25 base 5 equal to 2. Now if we observe here another problem, log 2 base 2 equal to 1. So log 2 base 2 equal to 1. Then now in the exponential form the base will be written as again base. So here the log 2 base 2 to the base is these two. So log, now it is 2 a place. Now power x, what is the result? 1. So 2 power 1 equal to, now log after what is the number there? That is n. So that is 2. So 2 power 1 equal to 2. It is the exponential form of the log 2 base 2 equal to 1. So now by using this exponential form to logarithmic form to exponential form, we solve some problems. Now here we observe the given one is problem in logarithmic form. Solve the following: log 625 base 5 equal to y. So now it will be written in the exponential form, log 625 base 5 equal to y. Now it is in the form of log n base a equal to x. Now that is equal to a power x equal to n. So now here what is the base? 5 and the x place y there, y equal to n place 625. Now 5 power y equal to 625. 625 can be expressed as 5 power 4. So 5 power y equal to 5 power 4. Now here bases are equal, so the exponents are also equal. If bases are equal, then exponents are also equal. This one we studied in 7th class in exponents chapter. So from that we conclude that the exponents y and 4 will be equal. Therefore y equal to 4. Okay. Now we see another problem. Log 32 base 2 equal to x. Log 32 base 2 equal to x. Now for this problem, log 32 base 2 equal to x is in logarithmic form. In the exponential form, a power x equal to n. So here a plus the base is 2 power x is the result equal to n place log after the number is 32. Now 32 can be expressed as 2 power 5. So 2 power x equal to 2 power 5. Now here also the bases are equal. So now the remaining exponents will also equal. So we conclude that x equal to 5. Okay, so in this pattern, if any given exponential form will be changing as logarithmic form, otherwise logarithmic form given means changing in the exponential form, otherwise if they will be in logarithmic value, we will have to change in exponent form and we solve the answer. Okay, next we will see some principles. Now see the properties of logarithms. In that, first one is product rule. So if a, x and y be positive real numbers with a is not equal to 1, then log xy base a equal to log x base a plus log y base a. That is, the logarithm of product is sum of the logarithms. It is the first rule. Log xy base a equal to log x base a plus log y base a. So now we proving this one. So now taking, let a power m equal to x and a power n equal to y. Now this will be writing in logarithmic form. So a power x equal to n, then log n base x equal to y. So same in this manner, now we will write log, and what is the result? That is log after, and what is the base of the exponent? That will be base only, log x base a equal to, and what is the exponent? That will be writing as answer, log x base a equal to m. Same, a power n equal to y, then here we will write log, so the result is here y, so log y, and the base is a, so log y base a equal to, and here the exponent is n, so the result is n, so log y base a equal to n. So by exponent laws, if we product doing x and y equal to a power m into a power n, a power m into a power n equal to, we know that a power m plus n. So a power m plus n is equal to x y. Now if we write this one as exponent law, in that exponent law what we will write? Log, the result is xy, log xy, and the base is a for m plus n, so that will be taking as base, log xy base a equal to, and here the exponent is m plus n, that is only the answer, m plus n. So here we know that m value is log x base a and n value is log y base a. So now that will be here writing, so log x base a plus log y base a. So log xy base a is equal to log x base a plus log x base y. That is the answer for log xy base a. So it is the first rule, product rule. So the logarithm of a product is equal to the sum of its logarithms. That will be over. Now we see the next rule. Now seeing the quotient rule, let a, x and y be positive real numbers with a is not equal to 1, then log x by y base a equal to log x base a minus log y base a. So here also we feeling, let a power m equal to x and a power n equal to y. Now if a power m equal to x, then this exponential form will be writing as logarithmic form. Now log, the result is x, log x and the base is a. Log x base a equal to, here the exponent is m, so log x base a equal to m. Now a power n equal to y, then now it is in the logarithmic form. Log, the result is y and the base is a. Log y base a equal to n. So if a power m equal to x, then logarithmic form is log x base a equal to m. If a power n equal to y, then its logarithmic form is log y base a equal to n. Now if we doing x by y, division doing means that is nothing but a power m by a power n. A power m by a power n equal to, by using the exponent law, we will write a power m minus n. A power m minus n. So here x a power m minus n equal to x by y, then this exponential form will be writing as logarithmic form, then the result x by y, so log x by y, and here the exponent to base is a equal to, and the exponent is m minus n, so log x by y base a equal to m minus n. So from here we know that m equal to log x base a, n equal to log y base a. So that will be writing log x base a minus log y base a. That is the answer for log x by y base a. So log x by y base a equal to log x base a minus log y base a. Okay, it is the quotient rule. Now we see power rule. Now we see the power rule. Let a and x be positive real numbers with a is not equal to 0 and n be any real number, then log x power n base a equal to n log x base a. Now here we feeling let a power m equal to x. Now this will be exponential form, right in logarithmic form, log, and the answer is x. It's a power m2 base is a, log x base a equal to m. Okay, now x equal to a power m. Now this to applying x power n equal to a power m whole power n. A power m whole power n equal to, we know that a power m n by the exponent law. So now here a power m n is equal to x power n. Now this exponential form to writing in logarithmic form, log, the result is x power n, and the base of mn is nothing but a equal to, and the exponent is mn. So here we know that m equal to log x base a, that will be writing log x base a into n. Now this multiplication before only we writing, that is n into log x base a, that is the result for log x power n base a. So it is the power rule, log x power n base a equal to n into log x base a. So these were, now we already solved these three principles. Log x by base a equal to log x base a plus log y base a. log x by y base a equal to log x base a minus log y base a. Log x power n base a equal to n log x base a. For a problem, log is not base given, the base nothing but 10. That is only here we written. In general, the bases in the logarithms are 10. So nothing given means that is nothing but 10. And log a base a equal to 1. And for any base a, log 1 base a equal to 0. And a power log n base a equal to m. Log x power m base a power n equal to m by n log x base a. Now using by these formulas, these principles, we solve some problems. Here given a problem, determine the value of the following. The first one is log 5 base 25. Log 5 base 25. Now here we observe this one 525. Now that 25 can be expressed as 5 power. So we will write log 5 and the base 25 can be written as 5 square. Now if we observe 5 means we can write it is nothing but 5 power 1. So now this one is in the formula of log x power m base a power n equal to m by n log x base a. So by using this principle, so log x power m base a power n equal to m by n log x base a. Now by using that formula, now here we are writing that 1 by 2 log 5 base 5. Now here log a base a equal to 1, we will conclude it. So now 1 by 2 into log 5 base 5 means 1, since log a base a equal to 1. 1 by 2 into 1 means 1 by 2. So log 5 base 25 is equal to 1 by 2. Now we see another problem, log 1 by 16 base 2. So log 1 by 16 base 2. Now 2 can be expressed, 16 can be expressed as 2 power. So log 1 by 16 can be expressed as 2 power 4 base 2. Now 1 by a power n equal to a power minus n. We know this one in exponent law. So by using that law, we will writing log 2 power minus 4 base 2. Now it is in the form of log x power m. Log x power n base a equal to n log x. So by using that formula, log x power n base a equal to n into log x base a. By using that formula, we are writing 4 into log 2 base 2. Log 2 base 2 means 1. So 4 into 1 equal to minus 4. It is the answer for log 1 by 16 base 2. And here we used the principle log a base a equal to 1. Next, the third problem, log 1 base 7. Log 1 base 7. We know that for any base, log 1 is nothing but 0. So log 1 base 7 equal to 0. Okay. Now the fourth problem, log root x base x. So root x can be expressed as power 1 by 2. So log x power 1 by 2 and the base x. So now it is in the form of log x power m. So log x power n base a equal to n into log x, the power rule. By using that one, now we will write 1 by 2 into log x base x. Now log x base x means it is nothing but in the form of log a base a. Log a base a equal to 1. So now we conclude 1 by 2 into 1. 1 by 2 into 1 means 1 by 2. So log root x base x equal to 1 by 2. Okay, now we see some another problems. Log 0.01 base 10. Log 0.01 base 10. So log 0.01 point removed means by 2 digits before point. So we will write 2 zeros base 10. Now 100 can be expressed as 10 power. So 10 power 2 base 10. So log 1 by 10 square base 10. So now it is in the form of a power 1 by a power n, that is nothing but a power minus n. So now we will write log 10 power minus 2 base 10. So log x power n base n equal to n log x base a. So by using this formula we will write minus 2 into log 10 base 10. So we know that log a base a equal to 1. So log 10 base 10 equal to 1. So minus 2 1 ja is minus 2. So log 0.01 base 10 is nothing but minus 2. Now log 8 by 27 base 2 by 3. Log 8 by 27 base 2 by 3. Now here we observed 8 can be expressed as 2 power, 27 can be expressed as 3 power. So now if we writing log 2 power 3 by 27 means 3 power 3. So now both the numbers have same exponent 3. So log a by b whole power m equal to a by b whole power m. So by using that principle, log 2 by 3 whole cube base 2 by 3. Now it is also in the form of log x power n base a, that equal to n into log x base a. So by using that formula, 3 into log 2 by 3 base 2 by 3. Log a base a equal to 1. We know that purpose log 2 by 3 base 2 by 3 equal to 1. 3 1 ja is 3. So log 8 by 27 base 2 by 3 is 3. Next log 125 base 5. So now this 125 can be expressed as 5 power. So 5 cube equal to 125. Now it is in the form of log x power n base a, that is nothing but n into log x base a. So by using that formula we will writing 3 into log 5 base 5. Now log 5 base 5 means it is in the formula of log a base a. Log a base a equal to 1. So log 5 base 5 means 1. So 3 1 ja is 3. So log 125 base 5 equal to 3. Okay. Now the next problem, 2 power 2 plus log 3 base 2. Now if we observed this one, now here it is in the form of a power m plus n. A power m plus n equal to a power m into a power n. So by using this formula we will write this one as 2 power 2 into 2 power log 3 base 2. So here it is in the form of a power m plus n. So we will writing as a power m into a power n. So we know that 2 power 2 is 4 into 2 power log 3 base 2. Now here we written a power log n base a equal to n. So by using that formula, a power log n base a equal to n. So here the base and log base both will be same. So now in the n place 3 there. So now here we write the result is 3. So 4 3 ja 12. So the answer for 2 power 2 plus log 3 base 2 is nothing but 12. That is the answer for 2 power 2 plus log 3 base 2.